Have you ever heard someone say, "spill the beans"? It means to tell a secret or reveal something that was supposed to be kept hidden. Imagine if you were playing hide and seek and your friend accidentally told everyone where you were hiding. They would have spilled the beans. This idiom comes from an ancient Greek voting system where people would cast their votes by putting beans into a jar. If someone accidentally knocked over the jar and spilled the beans, everyone would know how they voted. So spilling the beans meant revealing something that was meant to be kept private. For example, if you were planning a surprise party for your friend and accidentally told them about it, you would have spilled the beans. So, next time someone tells you to spill the beans, be careful not to reveal any secrets.